guys, welcome back to your channel guys. It's a big catch. Stay tuned for more. Guys, I'm in the coat on the water, so come stay with the car because I not get my license yet. I can drive, but how them police stay up here. I don't want to go on the road and then them take the car from me and everything and charge me, lock me up. So it's a beach day. Well, it's actually a regular beach day, but today it's so quiet. Not much people out here. There's a few people out here, but it's just a regular beach day and Jermaine is going to the water. Please like, share and subscribe. Staying by the car, share, comment and subscribe. So he's heading out by the water. God go with him and take him back safe to me. But I always fearing him God see always out here without no fear. So guys, it's been a while I haven't posted the video. But listen guys, the phone will give me a warm time. The phone is not giving no problem, but the phone doesn't have no space. Things me memory full, and each time I'm supposed to post, it's giving me a little stress. So big up all of the true support on them. Yeah, you don't know, say it's Shaman JTV. Guys, it's on really hot out here. So guys, when you come back here, me they go show no. Who the what is? Alright. Later. Love you too. So guys, the tide is very low. So I'm in the water out. So, alright, so guys, he just hopped on to the surfboard. So that's what he used to go to see. Yes, so he's going out there. So it's a regular beach day, you know. So guys, he's heading out in the water. So I hope God bless him that he may catch some great fishes. Whole heap of fish, that is it. Come back with whole heap, my baby. Whole heap of fish. Come back with one big one for me. Big one for me, guys. When you listen to the video, you go laugh. Come back with one big one for me, Jermaine. Let me be a bit of time and go on now. Guys, the sun is very scorching. Very scorching. The water is... So guys, I did not introduce myself properly in the first part of the video. So welcome back to Shaman JTV. It's a girl Shem, and you know that's a boy Jermaine packling out there. So guys, we don't have a camera, so I have to use my phone to video while he's heading out. So he's heading out now and I'm recording. I am on shore because you know girl cannot swim, so I have to stay on land and record. So he's going out there, he's paddling going out. So when he come back, I'm gonna show you all his catch. So yes guys, I'm just chilling by the beach side until he get back. So I record him. So he's on his way out. So you don't know, so guys, it's a very hot day. The sun was so scorching. Listen guys, man, tell us that the sun literally drained me and I was in shade and the sun drained me. Anytime I go on the beach side me ever drain. So just stay tuned guys, peace. So guys, this is Jermaine coming in from Outer Reef. He's on his way into shore. So guys, what he told me that out there they get kind of rough and the water they get very dirty, so he couldn't see anything. So he did have to come out, and he said while the water did get rough, he said two sharks in book up in a one but he say no panic any at all. But what he did, he came out the water. He left the two net out there, but he came out and he went back out there, but he came in to make the water settle down, so he went back out there after 4. Yes, that was after 4. He went back out there for his net. So this is the so yes guys, Jermaine catch 2 lovely string of fish. Mostly he catch a lot of parrots, a whole lot of parrots. Listen, it was a good catch. It was a good catch. He catch some great parrots. So guys, you're gonna see further down in the video. So yes guys, Jermaine they pull out the surfboard out of the water. So in this background I did have to mute because there was a lot of song in the background. So these are the parrots, the great parrots. Oh my god guys, look at these are some great fish. Look at the string guys. My tell us one of the string, it did a weird down my hand, and Jermaine he was talking some nice things in the background, but Joe, because I do not own copyright, so I have to mute the background. Guys, you can get some great parrot. These are some big ones. Yeah, very big parrot. So guys, I can't get the video now without the sound. So Jermaine the way out there, so that's the surfboard right out there. Guys, we have to come in definitely because it's a shark out there. That's the surfboard. Guys, we need to the camera now go pick him up. So he out there they take up in it. So lay the way upon him. One boatman want to see as well. That one next boatman like to see. So them they look fish. The partner out there that they take up in it them. So means it's 2 short out there. Means the one sitting very near to you. Guys, see look buckle right there. Some of you can see it, see it there. One green buckle. You see it right there, so. So it's a 2 short out there, so and the water will get really dirty, so you have to come in because you can see kind of want to shut them up coming around. So I'm waiting on him to get out. So that's his surfboard way out there. You see the green bucket there? So it look like a fish there in the net. So I mean they'll come up with the other nets yet. So fish is in the net, so it's like he might take them out. Cause see bucket there where he mark the net with. And look like the man they come ashore. Yeah. So it look like the guys gonna wait on Jermaine to come out of the water. You're still under the water. The man they out there, so I don't know if I look them and look if somebody is there, but the man so them are looking at the direction of the surfboard. So I don't know what they're doing, but yeah, one see if we can watch. So the surfboard is to my left with the yellow crate on top of it. So it look like the boatman them they go out further. They might throw water out of them boat. As you guys can see. Yes, they might throw water outside them boat. Man, I live for me. I'm not afraid. Guys, I think me spot Jermaine. I just spot him a while ago, but I was so distracted. Guys, I don't know if you can see him. See him they put up in it on the surfboard there. See him there. Yes, finally I got it. He's coming out now. Safe and sound. Yeah. He's heading out. You see how far out is he, guys? Look when I zoom on him, you see him. Oh, so that's a boat man right out here. Two of them did up on the boat. So this is my partner. He's coming. Alright, my partner they come out now. So my daughter in a fair school blows still. My nerd yourself, you know. Swing like Tarzan. Swing like Tarzan. Alright, Tarzan, sister. Hey. So guys, my phone is at 11%, so I'm going to cut this video very short. So he's paddling coming in. As you all can see, it's not so clear, but it's a bit blurry, but he's don't find my foot. But he's coming in. So guys, we go see what thing get out of the when he come in. So I'm gonna stop the video coming on my phone dead. Guys, to catch the lovely sunset going down. Oh my god, look at the sun. Sunset is so amazing. So that's Rio Hotel right over there. That's Rio Hotel. That's Rio Hotel. Rio. So guys, my phone I did. So it look like them are pull Jermaine come in. Yeah, them are pull him come in. That is so nice. Yeah, them are pull him come in on his surfboard. Phone they are 3%. I'm not gonna get most of it. Yeah, them are pull him come in. Oh my god. Basket pull they come in. They go for sell beer. Basket get pull. My phone is gonna shut off in any minute soon. My man can't stay still. Come on, man. They mean they get pull come in for Rasta them. Yeah. So guys, man, the surfboard drilled me. So he finally come in because Rasta give him one lift on the boat back. Pull him come in.
Rasta, thank you again.
So alright, so this is what you go find in the net out there.
Yeah, man.
As you guys can see.
I don't know what happened. I just see it rough today and it started roughy. And they come back out of the water, wait till it calm down and go clean it. But can't bag in kill for bone. Yeah, man, I'm going to glue down. And he's sitting on water. Yeah. Man,
So me finally come along. So we are packing up to go home. So please like, comment and share for Sheman J TV, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you're new, guys, just remember, please turn on the post notification bell, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye, peace out.
Bye. Peace out.